Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. Welcome to the very first DAOcasters Brew, a new monthly tradition brought to you by the Star Atlas DAO. If you haven't heard the buzz yet, the DAOcasters program was launched to reward the creators who keep this ecosystem alive, from the YouTubers to the social media gurus, and this session was all about celebrating the first month of that journey. It was a relaxed, honest, and deeply insightful chat between some of the community's most familiar voices, including Winston, Funcracker, and Morpheus. The headline story of the event was the highly anticipated Sage C4 update. While we were all crossing our fingers for an April release of the public test realm, the team shared that we're likely looking at a May or June launch. The consensus among the creators was that they'd rather see a polished, stable product than a rushed one, especially since C4 introduces the Zinc token and the first real asset-burning mechanics. With ship components finally becoming destructible, the entire game economy is about to shift from pure emission to a cycle of creation and destruction, making this launch a make-or-break moment for the game's sustainability. As the conversation flowed, the mood turned toward a more realistic look at the Unreal Engine 5, UE5, development. The group didn't shy away from the hard truth. Following recent team downsizing, the high-fidelity UE5 experience is taking a back seat for now. The focus has pivoted heavily toward the browser-based Sage and HoloSim experiences. The strategy is clear. The team needs Sage C4 to be a revenue-generating success this year, so they can eventually refuel the tanks for that massive UE5 vision we all fell in love with. In the meantime, HoloSim continues to serve as a great onboarding tool for new players, despite some debate over its repetitive season-based nature. It wasn't all high-level economics, though. The event highlighted some incredible community-led projects. PG dropped in to showcase Star Seekers 2, a retro-style mobile arcade shooter that integrates Star Atlas lore through mid-mission quizzes, a project currently seeking DAO funding. We also got an update on Super Phoenix, who is keeping the competitive spirit alive by planning the first-ever ship combat tournament in May. Meanwhile, Jose's tabletop RPG project is nearing its 24-hour sign-up deadline, promising a unique experience where players use digital avatars to bring the lore of the Gallia Expanse to life. To wrap things up, the DAOcasters reminded everyone that this is just the beginning of their 3-month term. There were live giveaways, including a massive 200,000 Atlas prize for one lucky winner, and a call to action for everyone to subscribe to the AIA newsletter and follow the elected creators on YouTube and X. If you're looking to get involved, keep an eye out for the next Start Atlas Checkpoint podcast coming soon, and don't forget to head over to the Discord to use the special event code CastersBrew for some community points. We'll see you at the next brew in 1 month.